play by the books interlude, my favorite line, you kind of alluded to it earlier, which was from 27 to 30, they'll start putting dirt on your grave. That's when your dreams die. And I think about this a lot, and I comment a lot on this on the podcast about that we stop asking people if they're going to reach their true potential at a certain point. And to your exact point, it seems to be in that 27 to 30, we stop looking at people. I work with homeless people, I work with very vulnerable people, and nobody ever asks them, what do you want to do with the rest of your life? Like, what would success look like to you today? Because there's this feeling that you kind of plateaued and it's probably either downhill or medium from here on out. We don't look at them like, you still have the same potential you had when you're 12 years old. Now you have all the resources you need to kind of go get after it and get where you want to go. Your life isn't over when you're 27 to 30. It could just be a new start. And so we kind of lose that faith. And I thought that was a point you made earlier, but such an important point for people to not stagnate themselves just because they hit 30.
Yeah, it's such a weird, like, generalization, stereotype, whatever it is that we put on people, where it's like, oh yeah, your life's kind of over after this certain age, whatever it is. I mean, especially in music where, traditionally it's like, 18-year-old, 19-year-old, 20-year-old kids, and whatnot. But yeah, it's just like, yeah, there's so much more life has to offer at any age, and people can start doing things whenever they want. And I think that's just important to just speak on. Especially, I mean, it's always been that way, but now more than ever with the internet and information being everywhere, and you can be whoever you want at any point. I've seen people change life paths at 35, 40 and do completely different things that they never thought they would do. So yeah, I think it's important.